Apostrophes, contractions. 5 practice exercises. You have 5 seconds to solve it. Write in the comments below how many correct answers you got. Write the contraction for, they are. Answer, there. Apostrophe after they. Correct the sentence, she cannot believe it's true. Answer, she cannot believe it's true. Apostrophe after it. Write the contraction for, I am. Answer, I'm. Apostrophe after I. Write the contraction for, I have finished the project. Answer, I've finished the project. Apostrophe after I. Write the contraction for, she is a good person. Answer, she's a good person. Apostrophe after she. Apostrophes, possessive. Rewrite the phrase to show possession, the book of Sarah. Answer, Sarah's book. Correct the sentence, the dog's bone was buried in the yard. Answer, the dog's bone was buried in the yard. Identify the possessive form in the sentence, this is James' hat. Answer, James's hat, or James' hat, depending on style preference. Rewrite the phrase to show possession, the toys of the children. Answer, the children's toys. Correct the sentence, the teacher's meeting is at 3 p.m. Answer, the teacher's meeting is at 3 p.m. if it's one teacher, or the teacher's meeting is at 3 p.m. if it's multiple teachers. Thank you for watching. Give a thumbs up and subscribe for more English practice exercises.